What is good, gang? Back with another video. We're just gonna get straight into today's analysis. This is still gonna be part of the Behind the Charts series on my YouTube channel. So let's go straight into this morning. So I'm not gonna be surprised today, since it's a no news Monday. But I feel like today was pretty decent, solid day since it was kind of just mainly just consolidating and kind of didn't really move too much and really go nowhere. So this looked like a pretty much a solid pre-morning session. So going straight into it, we got 7, 8, 9. If I can hide this real quick. No, I'm gonna need this actually. So going into 7, 8, 9, created initial buy side and sell side liquidity. We got, let me put this on actually. Got a new mic. It's like the ones you see on those little podcast street interviews. Let's see if that works. But we got this initial buy side and sell side with a order block that turned into a optimal trading entry. Only reason for that is because price was above the new week opening gap that was formed last night. And since there was no news Monday, my idea or bias was looking for sells because, if price is above or below, I'm pretty sure it's going to gravitate towards it. Plus, and if it allows us market structure, then you got every other factor that plays into it with the black hole concept. So when I was looking at 789, around 7 to 730, I seen that price rejected the order block and did not really touch initial buy side liquidity. So therefore, I was looking for some type of rejection or priming downwards. So what I did was go on to 15 and I seen this. Seen that price made a priming downwards and it was rejecting the optimal trading area, and it also did not touch the buy side liquidity, the initial. So I was looking to see if it can at least come down to this huge buy side fair value gap, and if it did, will it reject, or will it break through and target this sell side liquidity? But I was really just paying attention to market structure on a higher time frame, and then went on lower time frames to see if the details of the 15-minute time frame was actually like accurate to where price was gonna go. And since we didn't have any news, I was kind of just expecting that price would just pick a side. But in that case, I just would accept whatever comes my way. So after doing market structure and identifying priming, I went ahead and looked at 789, kind of waited. I waited until a little bit after 7. Well, actually, I waited a little bit after 8 to really like wait for price to fully get the data that it needed around 7:30 and then let it do its thing. It created sell side liquidity, swept that, created another sell side liquidity. At the moment, it was not swept. So this is the moment for me to be like, all right, cool. If price comes back up here to optimal trading entry and does not sweep out initial buy side liquidity or does not switch out all-time high, then I would be just looking for a sell off of those three areas, but mainly just wanted to look off of initial buy side liquidity and all-time high for rejection to sell. So if I was selling, I would go all the way down to the sell side liquidity or at the midpoint of the buy side fair value gap and just call it good. Just take that and go. So what really happened was the price ended up giving me my opening, my opportunity. It rejected, yeah. I got in. I purposely waited because I just wanted to make sure that price, if price was really truly going down, it would fully reject leaving this fair value gap open. This sell side fair value gap that was formed like 824. If it was selling, left open, it means it was gonna go run. Which it did. It gave me a little speed, and I wanted to see. It gave me the range, like it could be from here all the way down here. So I got the speed and range, and I just needed, for price to just go the distance. So when I started seeing price was like kind of slowing down after these two candles, I was like, ah, come on. So I decided to just take profit there. It was good to take profit. It's a little gain, which is good, but it also builds confidence with me to just take what I need and leave. So I guess the big takeaway was just knowing that it's no news Monday and just taking whatever price gives me is like the best option, safest option. Um, but later on today, 9:30 did show. I'm not gonna lie, this looks like hot garbage. I would not want to be in this. I still would be thinking about sells, but if it's consolidating like this, I would rather just not at all because both sides are pretty sensitive. You got the side that you got the buy side that's sensitive and it's rejecting, and you got the sell side that's rejecting and is actually priming upward. So I guess in a sense, even if I did wait until after 10 just for a buy, just to break even or stop loss, it wouldn't be worth it. So I would rather just be content with what I got and how today performed and call it good. But that's literally it for today's analysis. So I'll catch you guys in the other video.